Everybody, today we're playing one of my favorite games. How to play? Cut the rope. Cut the rope is such a simple game. You use your finger on your iPhone or on an iPad to basically cut a rope that has a piece of candy on it. The goal of it is to, when you cut the rope, have the candy land into the mouth of Om Nom, the little guy down there. As you cut the rope, it gets harder and harder and harder to figure out the skill on how and when to cut the rope to get the candy in his mouth, because that's really the only thing you can really control is cutting the rope. Additionally, you see these stars? Depending on how you do in a level, you want to maximize the stars. So, very simply, let's cut the rope. We got 3 stars. He ate his candy. As simple as that is, this game then becomes much more complex. So for example, here is another situation where you need to cut the rope, and even though I could just cut the ropes, if you cut it incorrectly, for example, it doesn't do anything. Oh, if you cut the ropes correctly, oh, I got all 3 stars. Not only that, I fed him. So let's take a look at this one. We want to cut the rope. If you cut it incorrectly, we could just make it real simple, and we feed him no stars, but that's not as fun. Let's try it again. What if we swung it and brought all 3 stars and got it in his mouth? And then the puzzles get a little more difficult. Now what you have here is a bubble. A bubble is something that can float, but it also can be something that popped. To have the bubble take the candy up to the top, and then we're going to pop the bubble and we get all 3 stars and it goes into the mouth. Excellent. So here is one where to get all 3 stars, you have to time the bubble, I guess? Perfect. So let's play this next one here. Well, it looks like it could take some time to figure out, and I'm not going to figure it out. Maybe you're just happy with 1 candy. Whoops. So this one is another simple one. Anyways, everybody, that's how you play it. It's a great addictive game. This would be a great game that you could play for a long time. Hope you enjoyed it.